Okay, this is number 2 from 9.3 homework that will go over some of the information that we're doing in Chapter 9. Now, part of Chapter 9 is learning about a coordinate grid. This is called a coordinate grid. Okay, a few terms you need to know. First of all, this is the origin. This is the x-axis, which goes from left to right. This is the y-axis, which goes up and down. Okay? Each space we consider a unit. And the numbers that go from side to side or up and down is your scale. The numbers you go from side to side or up and down is your scale. Okay? So, this number here is our x-axis, our day. So looking at those numbers, it makes sense to do a normal one box, one number scale. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay? Now looking at the total number repaired, my scale probably needs to be different, because I will not fit 79 numbers on this scale, on the y-axis. So also, because these are days, I'm going to name my x-axis days. Okay? And my y-axis is the total number of windows repaired. So I'm going to call my y-axis windows repaired. Okay? I should probably move that over because we won't have room for our scale.
I did total repairs.
Okay, total repairs, that works too. So, looking at this, we discussed as a class, our scale probably would be better off if we're counting by 10s or 15s. So we're going to put 10s here. 10. So this origin always is 0. 0, 0, and we'll talk about this in a second. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay? So that's my scale there. Now, the first part wants me to talk about ordered pairs. Well, I haven't told you what an ordered pair is. An ordered pair is the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. The x-coordinate always comes first. The x-coordinate always comes first. So if I'm going to write the ordered pair of my first point, it will be x, which is the days, and y, the total numbers repaired. So my first one is x, which is 1, and my second one is 14, which is the y-axis. So if I marked that on my chart, I'd come to 1, and then I'd come, so here's my 1, and then I'd come up to about almost halfway, which would be 14. Okay? So my first ordered pair is here at 1, 14. Okay? So that's my first ordered pair. My second ordered pair is here at 2, 30. 2 and 30. So, x coming first, y coming second. I come to my chart and I go 2. I'm here at 2 on my x-axis, and then I go up to 30. So my second ordered pair is 2 and 30. Okay? Shh. Looking at my third ordered pair, day 3, they did 45 repairs. So I've got 3 and 45 as my next ordered pair. Come over here, I'm at 3, and I go up to 45 right here. So 45 is halfway between 40 and 50. So I'm at 3:45. Okay? Number 4. Fourth day, I'm at 63 repairs. Come to my chart, I find 4 and I go up and I land on 63. 463. Okay? Last but not least, we've got 5 and 79. 5 being my x-axis, 79 being my y-axis. So I go back to my x-axis, I hit 5, and I'm jumped all the way to 79, which is right almost to 80. Okay? So I see here that I've got a pretty steady increase as I go up. And this chart helps me see the steady increase. So the second question, or second letter says, what does the ordered pair 2 and 30 tell me about the number of windows repairs? It tells me that on day 2, they increased the number of repairs by 16 from the day before. Okay, so this chart and this ordered pair gives me that data. It lets me know what was going on, how it increased, how it changed, how it looked from that particular day, from the day before and to the day ahead. Okay? So this tells me that it was on day 2, 30 were repaired, which, because I know the previous day, is an increase of 16. So that is how we work with the ordered pairs. And